healing and rebuilding is always a choice, whether you rebuild yourself and move on. And that's what I did with my family. It simply wasn't an option to rebuild with them. Or if the situation lends itself, if you're willing, if you want to, you rebuild something from the ground up new with the person who hurt you. That's what I did with my husband. So not long ago, as two totally transformed people, we married each other again. New rings, new vows, new dress, and our 4 kids is our bridal party. Never in a billion years would I have done anything like that if I wasn't totally different, and for sure, if he wasn't totally different. So rebuilding, whether you rebuild yourself or you rebuild as a totally new couple, is absolutely a possibility. I'd love to share something with you right now. So this way you see if it's safe and in your best interest to heal and rebuild with that person, or if you're better off healing yourself and moving on. Can I share that?
Please. This sounds, okay. I'm really intrigued. This sounds exciting.
So I call it the window of willingness. And it's something we teach within the Institute. And it's based on a communication model. And I kicked it up a couple of notches. So if you can imagine a window, the widest open, widest meaning with the greatest possibility of healing and rebuilding with that person. And as the window closes, it gets less and less and less, right? Best case scenario, the window is the widest open. This is a level 1. And it's remorse, empathy, apology, restitution, regret, right? And it sounds something like this. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry for the pain I caused you. I can't even imagine the hurt and damage I've caused. What in the world can I do to make it up to you? Now, when it comes to betrayal, it's going to take a lot more than that, but at least you're off to a good start if you're interested in rebuilding with this person. And then I want to talk also about how it's not even about the other person in the beginning. You just need to heal. But anyway, at least if that's a possibility, you're working with something here. This person has taken full and complete ownership and responsibility. You could feel the window closing a little bit with level 2, and you know it's coming when you hear the word because. I did it because, I said it because. Now, you still may be willing to listen, but it doesn't sound as good as that full and complete ownership that you got from that level 1. Did you feel that? You felt the difference?
Because they're justifying the behavior.
Exactly, right? Now, you know, with the next one, you know it's coming when you hear the word you. Well, I did it because you. I did it. I said it because you did. I call this the two-sided slap. Here, you get betrayed, and now you get blamed for it. Like, what? This is crazy making. Don't buy this for a minute.
So number 3 is the blaming
level
scenario.
3 is blame.
Okay.
Right. Now, level 3 and level 4 are very close cousins. This is level 4. The window is sealed shut. This is complete and total denial, zero responsibility. I don't know what you're talking about. You're crazy. You really need some help. You see, when you're met with a level 1, level 2, you have something to work with if you choose to. With a level 3, level 4, you don't really, at this point in their level of consciousness, there's nothing to work with here. You heal yourself, you move along. Now, sometimes I say this and people, it gets them really angry because they realize, oh my gosh, I have been spending all my time, effort, energy, working with a level 3 and level 4, and I get it because this was my family. You want to write everything down. You said this, don't you remember? And you're proving and exhausting yourself and making yourself sick.
Right.
And here's where you think you're crazy. You're not. It's not you. When you're working with that level 3, level 4, there's nothing to work with at this point in time.